Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Lung Reviews. Today, I will review the Pixelied AI-powered photo editor tool. The AI-powered image generation and editing features of it help you showcase your brand. It is an alternative to Adobe Photoshop, Canva, and Visma. And it is best for graphic designers, marketers, and SaaS. It is an Appsumo Select product, and you will find its lifetime deal starting at just $49 at Appsumo. It offers 5 license tier plans starting from $49 to $245. Here are their features. Later in the video, I will let you know which plan is the best for you. If you need an extra 10% discount, please watch the full video. When I am reviewing it, it shows a whopping 509 reviews, and the count is increasing rapidly. If we see the review section, then we can tell that almost all the reviews are good. It means it is a quality photo editor tool. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the website of the Pixelied photo editor tool. It is the best tool for AI image generator, background remover, photo editing, mockups, and so on. It comes with thousands of ready-made templates. You will find 4+ million royalty-free stock photos for every purpose and brand. It has a massive library of thousands of icons. You can remove image backgrounds with a single click. You can create and maintain different workspaces for different brands and projects. It comes with realistic and professional, easy-to-use product mockups for your product. Pixelied has a 700+ library of hand-drawn illustrations in a variety of styles. You can also upload and edit your vector files. It has comprehensive photo editing tools like eyedropper, opacity, layers, locking, and so on. You can resize images to preset dimensions for social media here. Now, let's explore the dashboard of Pixelied. Here, when you will enter, you need to create a new workspace. First, give the name of the workspace. Next, select what best describes you. I select Personal User. Now check, from where did you hear about Pixelied? I select Friend. Next, select, what do you want to use Pixelied for? I select Social Media. Now, select platforms you would like to use for your designs. I select YouTube. Your workspace is ready. In the navigation menu, you will find Home, Templates, My Designs, Mockups, and Convert. Let's start with Home. Here, first, you will see suggested options like Facebook Post, Instagram Post, and other options. In the Social Media tab, you will get Facebook Post, Facebook Page Cover, and other social media options. In the E-commerce tab, you will find the E-commerce Hero Image option. In the Banner tab, you will find different banner options. Let's make a design. Okay, start with a Facebook post. When we click Facebook Post, it lets us get into Facebook Post templates. Wow! There are many different kinds of Facebook post template categories like food, birthday, education, and so on. Select your desired type such as food, and now select any template you want, and wait. Now, you can edit it. Like you can replace the pizza here from the images. You can also edit the text of the image. If you click on the text, you will find text properties like font type and size. Besides, you can bold the text, italic it, etc. Besides this, you can change the elements of the image with the Elements option. Let's click on Elements, search Pizza, and select one. And you can search Chili, and select one, and add. So, here you will find different images, mockup, elements, etc. to edit the image. Now, we will explore the left options. First, start with Templates. Here you will find different templates. Just check those, and select what you like. In the Images option, you will find different images. You can select anyone. With Image AI, you can create AI images with instructions. Suppose we want to create a green owl. Let's write it. Now select any style like anime, and now click Generate. Here is your AI image. You can also explore the text here. You will find Add Headline, Add Subheadline, and Add Body Text. You will find different text styles too. We will talk about mockup later. In the Elements section, you will find different elements. Just search what you need and use them. With illustrations, you can select any needed illustrations and use them. There are a lot of illustrations there. In the blend section, you will find different color blends. Use them if you need them. With the help of my files, you can drag and drop any files and use them for your project. Let's get back to home again. Now let's go to the template section. Here in the template section, you will find templates in different formats, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can also find templates in different categorized ways, such as arts and crafts, attorney and law, pets, and so on. Now, check the color option. Here you will find different colors. In the My Designs tab, you will find your previously designed projects. With mockups, you can select any mockups to present the image. Mockups offer a realistic preview of the final product, helping designers, developers, and customers visualize the design in context before taking any decision. The Convert option is used to convert your images into different formats. In Home, My Team option helps us to invite any new team member to your project. So, it is a complete review, with a step-by-step tutorial on the Pixelied AI-powered photo editor. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this tool. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe us and give us a like. And, for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.